As we recall graphing linear equation in two variables, graphing by intercepts method is considered as the easiest way. In writing linear equations, in the previous three methods, we need a slope to find the equation of the line. Since intercepts are also a point, how are we going to relate this concept in writing the equation of the line? Just stick around and have fun, for I will teach you how to write the equation of the line given the x and y intercepts a and b respectively in an easy way. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the like button and the notification bell, and I promise that I will journey with you in learning math lessons in an easy way.
Suppose we have this point that lie along this y-axis, and we call it as the y-intercept. The coordinate is 0 and b. And we also have point that lies along the x-axis, and we call it as the x-intercept. The coordinate is a0. Connect them, so we have this line that passes through these intercepts. Now, how do we write the equation of this line? We call it as the intercept form of the equation of the line. Now, let's derive the formula. The formula for the slope, and suppose this is our point 1 and this is our point 2. So substitute to the given formula. This would be slope is equal to 0 minus b all over a minus 0. For the simplification, so the slope of the line that passes through these two intercepts is negative b all over a. Now, if we substitute these values to the point slope form formula, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope times x minus x sub 1, so this would be y minus b is equal to the slope times x minus 0, which is our x sub 1. For the simplification, so this would be y minus b is equal to x minus 0 is x times negative b over x, so this would be negative bx over a. Multiply the whole equation by the LCD to get rid of the fraction. So the LCD is a. Multiply each term by a. So this would be y times a minus a times b is equal to a times negative bx over a. Multiply. So this is ay minus ab. Cancel out. What is left is negative bx. Rewrite this one into standard form by virtue of addition property of equality. This is bx plus ay is equal to ab. Now, divide both sides of the equation by AB. AB divided by AB is 1. So, BX divided by AB, this would be X over A plus AY divided by AB, cancel out A. This would be Y over B. So, this is now called intercept form of the equation of the line. The intercept form of the equation of the line is given by this formula x over a plus y over b is equal to 1. So in other words, we can still find the equation of the line even without the slope, provided that we have the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So let's try this one in example number 1. Write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept is positive 4. So our A is positive 3. Our B, the y-intercept is positive 4. Substitute it to the given formula. So this would be x over A plus y over B is equal to 1. Multiply the whole equation by the LCD. So the LCD is the product of 3 and 4. So that would be 12. Multiply 12 to each term. So 12 times x over 3 plus 12 times y over 4 is equal to 12 times 1. So 12 and 3 have common factor, which is 3. So this would be 4. The greatest common factor of 12 and 4 is 4. 12 divided by 4, 3. Multiply. So 4 times x. So that is 4x plus 3 times y. 3y is equal to 12 times 1, 12. This is now the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept 4. To verify that our equation is correct, so let's show this one in the graph. We are using the GeoGebra graphing calculator. So this application is absolutely free. I will put the link in the description below. All you have to do to graph this one, you just have to type the equation here. So just type 4x plus 3y equals 12 and automatically the graph will be shown. Based from our problem, the y-intercept is 0 and 4 and the x-intercept is 3 and 0. So indeed, the graph of 4x plus 3y equals 12 really passed through these two intercepts. Let's have example number 2. Write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 2/3 and the y-intercept is negative 6. Our A, the x-intercept, is 2/3. The y-intercept is negative 6. Our formula, and substitute it, x over 2/3 plus y over negative 6 is equal to 1. Recall, to divide a fraction, we just copy the numerator times the reciprocal of the denominator. So we just copy x, or x over 1. Then the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. Then positive divided by negative, that will be negative. So y over 6 is equal to 1. Multiply, so this is 1. So multiply x times 3, so that would be 3x over 1 times 2, 2. Minus y over 6 is equal to 1. Multiply the whole equation by the LCD, which is 6. 6 times 3x over 2 minus 6 times y over 6 equal to 6 times 1. Cancel out the common factor, so that would be 3. 6, 6, this is 1. 3 times 3x is 9x. Then negative 1 times y is equal to 6. So this is the equation of the line with this x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. So again, let's show this one through the graph. This is the equation. So our y-intercept is 0 and negative 6. Our x-intercept is 2/3 and 0. Indeed, the graph of the equation really passed through these two given intercepts. So example number 3, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is negative 5 and the y-intercept is positive 7 over 2. So our x-intercept is negative 5, our y-intercept is 7 over 2. So substitute to the formula. So x over negative 5 plus y over 7 over 2 is equal to 1. So further simplification. So we just copy this expression plus. So numerator times the reciprocal of 7 over 2. So that would be 2 over 7 is equal to 1. So positive divided by negative is negative. So negative x over 5 plus 2 times y is 2y over 7 times 1, which is 7, is equal to 1. Multiply the LCD. The LCD is 3 times 7, 35. So multiply each term by 35. Simplify. 35 and 5, the common factor is 5. So 35 divided by 5, so this is 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Then multiply. 7 times negative x is negative 7x plus 5 times 2y is 10y is equal to 35. Notice that our first term is negative, so we have to make it positive. So we will multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So in other words, we just change the sign of each term. So from negative, make it positive. From positive, make it negative. So this is the equation of the line whose intercept is negative 5 and 7 over 2. This is the graph of the equation. Indeed, the y-intercept 7 over 2, that is 3.5. And x-intercept is negative 5 and 0. Example number 4, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is negative 5 over 2 and the y-intercept is negative 3 over 4. So our A is negative 5 over 2, the x-intercept. The y-intercept is negative 3 over 4. Substitute to this formula. So this is x over negative 5 over 2 plus y over negative 3 over 4 is equal to 1. So numerator times the reciprocal of the denominator. So this is x times the reciprocal of negative 5 over 2. So that is negative 2 over 5 plus y times the reciprocal of 3 over 4. So that is 4 over 3 is equal to 1. X times negative 2 over 5 is negative 2x over 5. Then y times negative 4 over 3 is negative 4y over 3. And it is equal to 1. Multiply the whole equation by the LCD, which is 15. So 15 times negative 2x over 5. Cancel out the common factor. So this is 3. 15 and 3, the common factor is 3. So 15 divided by 3, so this is 5. So multiply 3 times negative 2x is negative 6x. Then negative 5 times 4y is negative 20y, and this is equal to 15. Multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So this is the equation of the line with these x and y intercepts. So this is the graph of the equation. So indeed, it passes through the y-intercept, which is negative 3 over 4, and the x-intercept, negative 5 over 2.
If you learned something new today, kindly smash that like button. And in the comment section, kindly send me your thoughts about this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos so that I will be able to help you learn math lessons and concepts in an easy way. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching.